coming to an end and we all will be excited to plan for 2021, because you know how 2020 was. Planner and 21. Hey you are a star. We just want to remind you that you are special to us, and this is a really important point. The planner is only so good as you use it. So just buying a planner will not really help. This is the year view 2021-22. This is the birthdays. So at one glance you can see all the birthdays. This is something which I really like, which is year in pixels, and you have different colors. You can assign different modes to them, mark each day how it has been. So in a glance you'll get to see that how exactly you have, your moods have been. Really like that. This is level 10 goals, like your family, friends, finances, career, self-control. You may not do all 10, you may choose some from here. Then there's level 10 life. So here you put all of those 10 goals, and then you put on which level you are right now. So again, this gives you like a bird's eye view of different areas of your life. This is the dream board or the vision board. You really want to do, you place it in here. Then you have Bookstagram, books you want to read, books you have read, your morning routine, evening routine, things about yourself you want to make a priority. A lot of activities. This mental health, affirmations, and I like this worry tree also. This is a nice exercise sheet which anytime you have any issue, you can just go through it, like what is the worry, what can you do about it, and then you just go in and actually work through it. Pen it down, thoughts, wall of movies. I don't think I may have so many, and that's fine. TV shows you're watching. So again, I don't watch a lot of TV, so again you can just, maybe if you're not watching much of TV shows, you can put it into podcast or anything as per what you really engage in. This is clean that. Now again, here they've given a very annual bird's eye view kind of a thing, wherein there's weekly, daily, monthly. So you're on the top of things. Back me up. Then this places to visit. Then there's a lot of thing actually. Oh, there's down memory lane, so you can put a picture for every month of the year. There is the social stats. Okay, so now coming to the month, you have a quote, like a nice one with a little bit of painting. Then you have the grid view like this, so at a glance you get to see your month. Then you have your to-dos, affirmations, you have your events, and totally random ideas. Now here again they've given a goal grid, like a lot of stuff. You can just pick and choose which is relevant to you. So read, help, try out, do less, do more. Then again a lot of habit trackers, probably looking at sleep, looking at eating well. This is the weekly layout. So every week there is an part for gratitude at the end of the week. Month, okay, you have the section which is review, respond, reflect, and all of this again to look back at your month and what did you learn and all of that. So which is really nice. And the same is for all the other rest of the months of the year. And this is basically the 2021 planner Let's Goal by Space and Beauty. So these are the two bookmarks that you get. You get a nice postcard. You mean a lot to me. Okay, and then there are these Ikigai worksheets. So there are different worksheets to take you through, questions to reflect upon, rules of Ikigai, and all of this, which again will help you, in your planning. And there is a sticker for each and every mode, for each and everything. For like, there's just no sticker which is not covered in this. Like, let me just run you through, and so colorful and beautiful stickers.